Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to discuss about a very important function in MS Excel called the Vlookup. It's a very useful function in MS Excel. It enables the user to fetch a value from a database object table using specific criteria. Okay, to explain this function, I have taken a very simple example. I have a table which has the share prices of 7 companies, A Inc. to G and till G Inc. And these stock prices are there for 10 years, 1999 through 2008. And I want to use the VLOOKUP function to fetch the share price of E Inc. for the year 2004. So without even using the VLOOKUP function, I can see that the price of E Inc. for the year 2004 is 12,800. But how do we use VLOOKUP function to get the value 12,800? So before we proceed and with the VLOOKUP function, someone has to tell you about the syntax of the VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function has got 4 parameters. Lookup value, the value that the user wants to look in the table. So obviously in this example, E Inc. is the lookup value. Table array, and what is the range of the table? So the range of the table is B12 to L18. So that's what I mentioned here, B12 to L18. Column index number. So which year's stock price do you want to the column number of the table whose stock price you want to return? Okay, so which is 7th column, because we want to find out the price of E Inc. for the year 2004, which is the 7th column in the table. So third parameter is going to be 7. And the last parameter, range lookup. It can be 0 or 1. 1 implies exact match, 0 implies closest match. Okay, so just to recap on what we just discussed, VLOOKUP, value you want to search, range, second parameter, range of the table which contains the value, and column which you want to return, which is 7th, comma, you can mention 0 or you can mention 1, leave it to you. Okay, so if you do this function, as you can see, first one E Inc., range 7 and 0, so you will get the value 12,800. Important things to note: the value that you want to search, as I mentioned earlier, it looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table. So the value that you want to search should be the leftmost value of the table. Okay, that's one thing. Instead of writing E Inc., you can also give reference to the cell that contains the value that you want to look up. Okay, so you can either type in the value here, or you can type in the cell reference which contains the value that you want to search. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.